You guys, we are gonna get this office done. Now, before we get into today's video, you guys, I have merch. I have merch. Now, you know, there are those that just hate it when I say done. Liz, you say it too much. You say it too frequently. I'm so over the done. I get it, I know, but that's me, and I'm not gonna change. I'm just not. And when I tell you that when I say done, it actually really helps me get the job done, oh, it does, it does. I am sometimes a girl that needs some motivation and a kick in the pants to get going. I'm a Taurus. Need I say more? Not that I believe in that stuff, but I can get lazy, trust me. Anyway, to all my subbies that suggested getting merch, thank you. Thank you so much. I love hearing from you guys, and I know I was sort of complaining about people that don't like me saying done, and a lot of you had my back as usual. Love you guys. Love you so much. And you said, you know what, that is you. And that's sort of your branding. And I thought about it and I said, you know what? It kind of is. It kind of is. So why not? So I did. So I got myself a hashtag done shirt. Oh, and I got something else. Let me go run and get it. So is this not a good coffee mug to start the day? Done. So good. And cute. Good reminder. So anyway, for all of you that have supported me and given me this great suggestion, thank you so much. I mean, you guys are all making my little dream come true. I always wanted to, you know, contribute in some way, shape, or fashion as far as money goes. But my first priority was my family, and I always wanted to be here at the drop of a hat. So this allows me to do what I'm passionate about, which is decorating, and share it with all of you and be here for my family at the drop of a hat. Just wanted to take a second to just let all of you know how appreciative I am that I even have this little channel, and it's all made possible because of you guys. So thank you. I feel so blessed. And one more thing I want to say about my merch store is I used to do designs for t-shirts. So I was thinking, oh, I could get into this, fun sayings and text fonts and graphics for the seasons. Traditions by the seasons. T-shirt designs. This is just, you know, plain Jane. But I could have some fun with this, so stay tuned. All right, let's get this office clean, decorated, and done. But before we do that, I want to touch on one more thing. On Monday's video, I had a few people ask me why my walls were green. Well, I decided to try out a new light bar that's supposed to help with lighting effects. So you're supposed to choose a contrasting color. So today I chose purple because it's a contrasting color from green, and we'll see how you guys like it, you know? I'm all about trying new things. Right here, we're standing in front of an old chest of drawers. And I picked this up at an antique store. It has seen better days. It really needs to be resanded and painted. So we're gonna have to try to conceal the top as best as possible. But I have a lamp here, but I wanna add height to it. So book boxes. I wanna add height to my lamp. I'm gonna use a Treasure Island book box right there. I'm adding more height. So I'm adding 3 more book boxes. I believe I got these at Hobby Lobby. Anyway, they're cute. We're gonna be concealing these. So I'm gonna move my lamp out of the way. I'm gonna put this book box here. Put these right here. Lamp on top of it. I know you guys think I'm crazy. Wait for it. I'm going to conceal the book boxes with this garland, also from Hobby Lobby. And I'm just going to wrap it around the book boxes. And we want to conceal this. This is where it's all scratched up. Now I could use a table runner. That would be the logical thing to do. But I don't like the ones I have in the basement. None of them really go with what I have going on in this room. So we're gonna roll with it with a basket tray. And I'm gonna place that right there. I take that back. I found a placemat. I'm just gonna throw that like that. Now, originally I had this topiary right in that tray, but I've decided I wanna lighten the palette just a tad, and so I've brought in these dried hydrangeas with a really cute pot with feminine, like a little feminine detail on it. I'll show you. It's very cute and very sweet. Now see this pot, isn't that sweet? I just love the detail on it with the little bow. I think it's very sweet. And I just love those hydrangeas because it's got purple and green. It's just very pretty. So I'm gonna put that in the tray. Next to the hydrangeas, I have this really cute little chalkboard from Dollar General, and I'm going to snug it right in here. Says Liz's and then office. I'm just gonna put a little candle holder with an LED candle right here, just for looks. Now, on my desk area, I've got a lamp, and I want to keep it pretty simple so I can access it when I need to. I don't want to have to move a lot of decor around. But I have this cute little wreath, and then I already shared these with you guys. I got these at the Dollar General. And so I'm using a lot of Dollar General pieces in this room, but I just put an LED candle in each lantern, and I'm just gonna put them right there. So you can see the lanterns right there. I'm gonna sit the small one right here on top of this greenery. So I'm pretty much done with this office, yay, for now, until I want to decorate it again, which will be very soon, I'm sure. But anyway, let me give you a little tour. We have these two chairs and this pretty rug I got from Lowe's, and the chairs I got from, I think it was Bob's, I forgot, Furniture or something like that. And then we've got the executive style desk. We have a beautiful armoire, and up top I have a family sign, and then I'm backlighting it with a light. And then over there, we worked on that the other day. When I saw this armoire, I fell in love with it because I loved the design and I loved the hardware. Very unique. Now, if I open it for you, let me show you what's inside. A whole bunch of records, vinyl records. This is some of my husband's collection, and he's got a whole bunch more down in the basement in his man cave. Now, I should mention right there, if you guys can see it, is a wicker basket mail system. And it's got little chalkboard things, tags on it for each basket. So I've got like medical bills, you know, whatever bills we have, I've got them labeled on there. So when we get them out, I can file real quickly. And then when we go to pay our bills, it's just like take the stack out, go through them, and done. So anyway, sometimes function has to outweigh beauty. You know what I mean? You gotta live here. All right, my sweet friends, there's my home office in a nutshell. It's where I like to do my editing and thinking and be creative. And anyway, like I said, it's all thanks to you guys that it's even possible. So thank you. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Come back and see me on Friday. I think we're gonna be working upstairs on the landing on a really cute little table vignette, and we're gonna be adding some Valentine's Day up there. Wait till you see the wreath I found at a consignment store, and I think I've got a cute banner that I wanna swag. So be on the lookout for that Friday, unless I change my mind, which I sometimes do. So don't hold me to it, but I think that's what I wanna do since we are so close to Valentine's Day. All right, guys, see you Friday. Mwah! Love you guys.